Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send Litecoin from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly, especially with all the updates coming in the new year. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitmart. If not, go ahead and create them now. Once you're logged into Robinhood, head over to your portfolio and find your Litecoin holdings. It's usually under the Crypto tab. Click on that to access your wallet. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where things get exciting. You'll need to select Litecoin as the asset you want to send. Next, grab your Bitmart wallet address. Log into Bitmart, go to your wallet section, and copy the Litecoin deposit address. Double-check this because getting it wrong could mean lost funds. Always verify. Back in Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything carefully. One last scan to ensure the details are spot on. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once you approve it, the transaction will start processing. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on both apps for status updates. And just like that, your Litecoin should land in your Bitmart wallet. Always stay safe in the crypto world. Enable two-factor authentication and double-check addresses to avoid scams. If you follow these steps, you'll be a pro at transferring assets. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.